How to use keyframes in Capcut. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use the keyframes in Capcut. So guys, to use the keyframes in the Capcut you will have to follow some steps, so make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So you will have to open the video clip. After that you will have to look for the keyframe or the animation feature in the editing option. So you will have to tap right here on the video and you can see the animation option. And after that, tap on the video clip on the timeline to reveal the editing options, and from there scroll to the right, select animation and the keyframes. Now you will have to adjust the keyframes to create the smooth animation and transition between the various visual effects. And once you have added and adjusted the keyframe, save your video and share it to your preferred social media platforms. And remember that the specific steps may vary slightly based on the version of the CapCut app and you are using, but the general process remains consistent.